Hello. I'm going to explain our voltages. So we made our upper threshold 2.7. I think it's just normal volts. And then our lower threshold is 1 volt. We've had to change this a few times. We just did this by measuring the water sensor with this little multimeter. And we found when there's no water, it was less than 1. It was around 1 at the very bottom, and it went down to 0. So less than 1 was a good spot for us. And then when it was almost fully at the top, we measured it around 2.7. So that's why we did that. We set through our flow chart. So this flow chart is literally just the code that we have. So it's going to read the sensor, so the water sensor, and if it's above our upper threshold, which was 2.7, it's going to turn off the pump, and it's just going to slowly just release water. And then here, if the sensor was below the lower threshold, it's going to turn on the pump, which is there. And then that's basically all the stuff with the pump. There's other stuff with the tick and the talk function, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to run our code now, and I'm going to also use my phone to show that the time is the same.
Oh, you're not moving.
There we go.
Hey, get 0.04.
Okay. Now we just wait.
I'm nasty.
Okay, how do we
You're goated.
I'm good. Alright.
Should be embarrassing if it just kind of stopped right here, right?
So, do I just flip this on? Flip this on?
Right.
That's right. There's no way. My brain's not working.
Alright, come on. Hey! That stopped, right?
45.
So 45, basically the same. That should be good. Let's just wait so it shows that it adds the time.
Yeah.
Alright, so now the timer is off because the pump turned off. There it should be at least.
Confidence.
Now I'm gonna restart the timer when the pump turns back on, and it'll show that it is the collected time. I hope.
Should turn on 6.
It'll probably turn on in like 3 seconds. Then I'm gonna cry. There we go. Restart the timer. I mean, re-add to the timer. How long is this video?
What if it doesn't stop?
3 minutes.
Oh, well.
We might need to redo it and make it shorter.
No. Did I just hear it? Do it?
Clicked.
So, pretty much the same, 70 seconds. I fat fingered it a second late, so it's the same time. I'm gonna flip the camera around for you.
Oh, yeah.